This is just becoming a very normal thing for me to be just on here in the intro. Having a kitty or a cat. Lancelot's so adorable. So today we're going to do a tour of my YouTube setup. I think you guys might find some things a little interesting. Before we get to the actual tour though, don't forget to like the video if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget, I have a merch store now, links down below. Go look at that. It does help support the channel. Every little bit helps. So this setup has been a couple years in the making. Let's talk a little bit. You saw the video for this. If you haven't, there's a link down below as well as a link right here, I believe. Links everywhere. There'll be links everywhere for everything I'm going to talk about here. It was literally made to be decor for this setup, so it made the most sense. Now, coming down to the keyboard, the computer, the mouse, that was all specifically made to do, well, be my main peripherals and also make me have to have only one program for RGB and controlling everything. I can even update my BIOS using that same software, so it's a lot less software than I would need for most other builds. The two lights in front of me, they are some lights from Dasney. I will leave a link down below for them. They are quite amazing, to be honest, and I've been very happy with them. The light behind me that you probably will see for a while in a lot of my videos is a light that I got from another video. That was from the Aoc streaming kit video. You know, the one that almost hit me in the face. A lot has gone into this build, this whole setup. I'm very happy with it. You probably did notice one thing though. The computer's facing the opposite way, and there is a reason for that. There are two reasons in particular. A, I need to be able to get to the I/O really easily. Even the front I/O isn't always the best. I want direct access to all of my I/O, and 90% of it is going to be on the motherboard and the graphics cards. So, as right now, I am testing this little joystick to see how it does. There should be a video out here soon, so do get subscribed for that. I just can plug it right in, test how it is, plug it out, put it away very quickly. It's all for that reasoning. That is how I have this set up. Now the test bench, which is also contributing like 90% of the clutter. If I didn't have the test bench on the desk, I think everything's a bit a little easier. The test bench, once I get it all set up, this is going to be where I can test certain parts of builds. For instance, if I want to see if maybe a specific combo of CPU and mother and graphics card are about as perfect a pair as can be, I can do that now. I just need to set it up. It's gonna take a couple of weeks just because I haven't gotten there yet. Very happy with this test bench though. Cooler Master did a good job with that. So inside of my computer I have the Ryzen 7 5800, the NVIDIA 3070 Ti, and that is what's powering my editing, my gaming, really everything. Both displays are on display ports. I am debating on adding a third display, which I'm actually thinking against now. It's a little too tight. What I might actually do though is get some different displays, but this is like a year or two later. This isn't going to be anytime soon, just because these Aoc monitors are fantastic. These are the Aoc 24G2s. fantastic monitor. 1080p, however, they go to 144 Hz. They are IPS panels, so they are extremely color accurate. The motherboard I went with on the computer, though, is a Wi-Fi capable motherboard, and I did that mostly to be able to connect Bluetooth, see how Bluetooth is on some items when I do reviews, but also because if I need to troubleshoot my internet, Wi-Fi is a good option for that, in case like my wired internet's acting a little finicky. That way I can kind of figure out if it's the wire, well, the cord, that's the problem, or not. What you guys also probably noticed is the setup where my peripherals are. Right here are my two Elgatos, the Wave XLR and the Wave Stream Deck, just to control everything and then also to control my audio. These two link together, make everything very simple and easy. Right here, there's a little USB hub I have. These are all USB 3.0 USB 3.0 headers. And two of them are occupied by my keyboard and mouse. That way, if I need to do something, I can. I do have my keycap puller and my key switch puller right there in case I'm doing a build or if I'm wanting to take this keyboard apart to be able to clean it out really good. Then right here, this is actually really nice for me to find. I needed a way to ingest the video footage from this camera to my computer, and I didn't like using a USB stick. I should probably explain more. My dad has a USB stick for digesting SIM cards to a computer. I didn't like that as much. I wanted something that I could just put on my desk and be fine. I found this on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below for this one because this is actually a really good find. What I did not know when I got it, though, is that the bottom is a magnet. So I just slapped it on my side here and it's stayed there since. It's great. It's really good for making sure I am always capable of ingesting my footage. Makes streamlining the process a lot better. Right here is the remote for those Dasny lights. I love it. Just a quick couple of buttons and I can control either one. Right now I'm controlling the right one, so let's go to the left one. It automatically gets it to the level that the remote's saying, but I need this one lower, so we're going to keep it about 20. Go back channel 2, and I usually keep this one about 70. And a little wrong, it was probably about 50. This keeps me evenly lighted, but also gives a little bit more dynamic flush. Don't have it currently set on my camera right now correctly, but usually it would give me a lot more shadows, make it look a little more dramatic on my look, but still keeping me very well lighted and in focus for the camera. But yeah, this is my setup. I'm very excited about it. Everything how I have it right now is how I have wanted to have it. Couple things here and there I can do a little better, but in the end, this is quite honestly the best setup I have for doing content creation, doing my college work, and just enjoying being me. So guys, that was the tour of my setup. I think I did a pretty good job here. It's my kind of first time ever having to show off my room. So hopefully you guys understand that this is entirely new to me and can deal with the fact that I'm showing something off that I'm not used to showing off. I'm very happy here. It's made to give me relaxation as well as focus me on getting my stuff done for the YouTube channel as well as school, because, you know, school's still a thing. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. Also, as I said earlier, merch store link down below. Please go support my channel. Have a good day. Look at him. He's so tired. He's so tired. He just wants to be loved and cared for and get nice and pets. You are just a spoiled little brat. You know that? Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are.